What are you doing, baby? Do you like your new walker Mama got you? You got the hiccups? Do you like your new walker? Do you like your walker? Hmm. Hmm. You being a good girl? Are you being good? You've already puked on your new walker that Mama just bought you. Let Mama wipe it off. And Mama wiped it. I already puked all over it, and I just bought this thing today. Didn't I? Didn't Mama buy you a walker? Mm-hmm. Say, Mama bought me a walker. Are you okay? You don't know how to laugh yet, do you? Say ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. You're supposed to breathe out, not suck in, dummy. She's trying to learn how to laugh. Ha ha ha. You drunk. Say ha ha ha. Say ha ha. Say ha ha. Say ha ha. Ha ha ha. Mama? 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 What are you doing? Here, walk around. Walk around in your walker. Let's show Daddy how you can walk. See, look at my feet, Daddy. They touch the floor. Did you just fart? Say Say, look at me, Daddy. I'm 5 months old and I can walk in a walker. Right? Say, we love you, Daddy. We love you, Daddy. Do you love your daddy? Do you love your daddy? What are you looking at? The dirty clothes? Or, well, clean clothes. Looking at the clothes basket? What are you doing? 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 We playing with the toys up here? Look. Look, Roy, there's a mirror. Look right there. Mama needs to go get a thingy and clean that off, huh? Looky here. What are you interested in over there? What do you see? The clothes hamper? I'm going to shove you backwards. Today is February 20th, by the way, if it's not on here. What? Somebody turned 5 months old yesterday. What, baby? She doesn't know how to laugh yet. What, baby? What, you little drunkie? You little drunkie. You little drunkie. You little drunk. Alright, we're going to stop the camera for a little while now because I'm tired of filming. Oh, I missed it. She's going to be I don't think she'll crawl. She'll walk before she crawls. Won't you, my baby? I think I got a pretty good deal on this. $9. Alright, signing off now. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Say, we'll be back later. We love you, baby doll. Talking to you, Will. We love you, Will. She said, yeah, we love you, Daddy. Don't we, Rory? We love Daddy, don't we? Yeah, alright. Bye-bye.